What's up, everybody? Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com. And what are we talking about today? We're talking about SeaWorld's Spooktacular. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that bell icon and the subscribe button. The bell icon, hit that. Make sure you do that so that you get notified when we're giving you these tips and tricks, okay? Do it now. We'll wait. Or I don't know why I said we'll wait. It's just me. I'll wait. And I've waited. Okay, let's get into SeaWorld's Spooktacular. This is an amazing event for the little ones, okay? So, it runs only on weekends from September 10th through October 31st, which makes sense, you know, because it's Halloween. Now, the really cool thing about this event, it's included with your park ticket. If you get a SeaWorld ticket, you're automatically going to be inside SeaWorld Spooktacular. It's awesome. Happens during the day, again, only on weekends. Now, all guests they're not required, but dress up if you want to. Become your favorite character, your favorite movie person, whatever. Just dress up and have fun. If you're an adult or, 13 or over, there are a couple of restrictions. You can't wear costumes that will completely cover your face. Like no big masks, like a werewolf or anything like that. Also, you can't come in with out-of-park face paintings. Now, if you want to get your face painted, make sure you do it inside the park and they will paint your face whatever you want, really. SeaWorld Spooktacular is a family-friendly event. And because it's kind of geared more to the little ones. Make sure you go to the trick-or-treat trails. That's alliteration. Trick-or-treat trails are the reason for Halloween. It's the best time to get candy. All of your favorite candy, and they have tons of candy. You can get all you want. It's so cool. And of course, you're gonna have to hold that candy. How do you do that? Reusable bags are available for purchase at the stores. Now, there are costume characters that you can meet and greet with, take pictures with, and I encourage you to do that. They're throughout the entire event. They're all over the place, so you're not gonna miss them. And check this out. You gotta make sure you go visit all of the specially themed costume characters. There's mermaids, there's sea life characters, and they all walk around. So make sure you visit them. Take some pictures, get some autographs. They're a lot of fun. And on a stage by the trail is a DJ, so you can relax, have some fun, dance the day away. And check this out, they have a fun pumpkin patch where the kids can go through a maze, kind of wind their way through that fun thing. It's more entertainment than scary. So the kids aren't gonna be, no one's gonna pop out and scare them. It's more just for fun. And since the event is geared more towards little ones, you gotta go check out Sesame Street Land. You can go say hi to all of your favorite Sesame Street characters. There are rides, there are games. It's really cool. Even if you're a big kid, we all grew up on Sesame Street. Come on. We remember the count. One of my favorites. So go check that out. Okay, so the event does get more popular the closer you get to Halloween. So if you want, smaller crowds, get there early. Remember, it starts September 10th. Now, it happens only on the weekends. Remember that. So it's going to be a little bit busier, so plan accordingly. And for the parents, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. There are kiosks with specially themed drinks, all right? So if you want to relax and have a cool drink, do that. And they have cool rides, all of their rides. It's not me, I don't own that place. All of their rides are still open, so you can enjoy Spooktacular, get some candy, get that sugar rush, and then get even a more rush on the roller coasters. Or, you know what? Go check out the shows. The shows are still there. So if you want to get scared a little bit and then see some dolphins, like you would, every time I get scared, I want to see dolphins, go do that. That's what they're there for. And just so you know, we offer the best discounted prices for SeaWorld's Spooktacular. So you can get those discounted prices at OrlandoVacation.com, or if you want to use your phone. Some people do that still. 1-800-641-4008 is our phone number. Any one of our vacation specialists will be able to help you out. And as always, for more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome, go to OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer those tips and tricks and blogs to make your Orlando vacation that much better. And for more information, we've done something special for you. We've provided a link in the description, so you can just click on that, for your special event. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you at SeaWorld Spooktacular. Bye-bye, everybody.